Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading info man. Here's your daily update for Bitcoin. What's going on? What is telling us Dr. Ross? He's telling us, do not open any position in this situation. Okay, we will check. If this right, Dr. Ross, we will check this. And Dr. Ross, I don't know why your powerful support is red. In my opinion, it should be green. But we will check this now in this update. What's going on with Bitcoin? Is Dr. Ross in the right position? We will check it. Guys, let's go. So here we are. Let's check this one. First of all, yesterday it was a really perfect thing, and it was okay, Dr. Ross, because you told us, attention, 41,500 is a big support. And yes, we saw yesterday a big fight with this line and a big fight with this powerful support. Yesterday it was really amazing. And yes, this support did not hold. We lost the support to the downside, because if we are clicking here on play, we can see we dumped down to the downside. For the moment, a big dump live, a big dump to the downside. And yes, we touched here perfectly 39,600. And we can see Dr. Ross is showing us here. We have a big support line on 39,500, and he's showing us here on the downside. If this support breaks and the price goes below 39,500, Bitcoin will fall. Okay, we will check now what's going on with Bitcoin. We will check it now for our own thoughts. What's going on? This is investing.com, and we can see here the 1 hour time frame, and we can see the candlestick chart. And here, guys, we saw a really nice candle. This candle is a bullish hammer, this pattern, a bullish hammer with a bullish reversal with a low reliability that we will go down to the upside. And the next thing, we saw a bullish engulfing. A bullish reversal with a medium reliability that we now will see a reversal to the upside. Okay, this is bullish, guys. This is not the baddest thing to watch. These candlestick patterns are working for the most time really nice. This is the 1 hour time frame. If we are checking coin market cap really fast, we have 17,642 coins in the market. We have a Bitcoin dominance about 41.7%, and Ethereum is on 18.6%. What else can we see? The most coins are going down, the most altcoins are going down, Bitcoin is going down. Everything is here in the red position. The most coins are in the red position. Bitcoin is going down 3.88% in the 24 hours, in 7 days, 7%. Ethereum is going down more with 4.7% and 8.1% in the week. So you can see the altcoins are going down a little bit more as Bitcoin. If we are watching the price prediction, first of all, yesterday it was not right. It was not okay, because we dumped down to the downside more. The price prediction yesterday told us, no, we will not go down. But yes, we went down. So, okay, Coin Codex, bad thing. But we will check it today. They are telling us we may see a pump to 50,000. This would be a really nice thing in the next 7 days, but it's Coin Codex. We have fear in the market. You can see fear ingredient index, and the sentiment is bearish. And guys, really important, based on our Bitcoin forecast, it's now a bad time to buy Bitcoin. This is telling us Coin Codex, but they're telling us we will go up to the upside, 51,000. Really interesting. Really interesting. So the sentiment is bearish. 17% only in bullish, and 83% is bearish. Okay. Not nice. What do we need to know? The support point to the downside, 39,137,700, and 35,200 is the biggest support with the most ranks to the downside. 35,000, really low point. Remember, Dr. Ross, he's telling us, remember, 36,000, big support line. Okay, we will check it. So the next thing, resistance to the upside, 43,000, 45,500, and 46,800. So, but now, guys, let's go into this one. Let's check. This is my daily chart from yesterday. I showed you guys, attention, we are in an uptrend. If we will lose this uptrend, we will go on to the downtrend. And what's happening? Yes, we lost our nice uptrend, and we built a new downtrend. Sorry for my bad English. We built a new downtrend. This is the red one here, and we are now in a bad downtrend. You can see it. We lost the uptrend. And what happened again, guys? This was a really nice support. I showed you this yesterday. And yes, of course, Dr. Ross, you're right. It was 41,600. We lost this support. We lost the fight yesterday. Now it is not a support. Now it is a resistance. And for you, Dr. Ross, it should be a red one and not a green one, because it's a red resistance now. Okay, this is the candlestick chart, guys. Remember, this is the candlestick chart, and this is the line chart. We have two things to watch. if we're watching the line chart, we have a different Fibonacci as we are watching on the candlestick chart, guys. So we will remove the Fibonacci for the moment and we will check it now. First of all, in my opinion, on the daily time frame, it's still possible to make for the moment an inverse shoulder, head and shoulder. It's not impossible. It's not lost. We saw a little shoulder. Maybe we see now a bigger right shoulder. It's not over with this pattern. We need to watch it, guys. And you can see we have still the trend line on the upside, 44,600. What else can we see? And I have a next thing I would like to show you. I would like to show you this one on the candlestick patterns, because if you're watching this pattern, guys, what can you see? What do you think? What it is? What pattern could it be, guys? And if you are knowing my videos, you know what I would like to show you. I would like to show you here a cup, coffee cup, a tea cup. It doesn't matter, and the handle. So this is also on the daily time frame, not only an inverse shoulder head shoulder, it's also a cup and handle pattern. We can use it as two patterns for the moment. The big question is which one will play out. It's not so important for us which one will play out, because we have a nice technical target for the cup and handle. If this will break out of the downtrend channel, we have here maybe a nice technical target to watch, about 55,000. That's this stuff, guys, if we will see a nice cup and handle play out to the upside. In my opinion, it's not, as I told you, it's not important if this is an inverse shoulder head shoulder or a cup and handle. Both of these patterns are bullish patterns. So in my opinion, it's really important to watch the parallel channel. We need to break this damn parallel channel now. That's really important. We need to break this little parallel channel to the downside and also the big one to the upside. And that's a big thing, in my opinion, to watch. So if we can fight back this damn stuff here for Bitcoin, we need to break out to the upside to see a bullish breakout. If not, if we will go down more and more, if this support line will not hold for the moment, we have a next big problem. Let me show you this one. This is the line chart, and what can we see? If we are watching the line chart, we lost here on this point our resistance, our support. It is now our resistance. If we are watching this stuff on the candles, let me show you what is the big thing for the moment, and that's what I would like to show you. Let me zoom in a little bit, daily time frame, and what can we see, guys? We are fighting with this line. So the big question is, are we watching this as a line chart or on a candlestick chart? If we're watching on a candlestick chart, we are fighting with this line for the moment, and that's the big thing what we have to watch. We have 8 hours to close this candle, and if we can close this candle over this line, this is a bullish stuff. If we will close this line, this candle under this line, under the red line, it's a bearish stuff. And that's also a big thing to watch. So if we will go down more to the downside, we need to watch our support line. It's a green one, Dr. Ross, for the moment, not a red one. If we will break the support, a big problem, alarma. If we can move on to the upside, nice. This could be a next long position for a long trade. So it's really important to watch this stuff, guys, because I think it's possible to see a decision here really soon. And now we can make a Fibonacci retracement on the candlestick chart. And what can we see if you're zooming in? It's not so important for us for the moment, because the bad stuff is we lost 41,400. Yes, you can see it. It was a long time fight here. And yes, we lost 41,400. And if we will go up here, this is the next big resistance. Okay, guys, we need to fight back 41,400. We need to break out of the downtrend channel. We need. We are again in a bearish stuff, and that's always a bad stuff. Guys, this is the 15-minute time frame. What can we see? A bad thing. We can see a really bad, horrible movie, because they stopped us out to the downside. They made a stop loss hand to the downside, and this was really bad for all guys who went in a long position here on the green line. Nice. Long position, little stop under the long position. What happened? Bam. They made a hunt of all of us traders, and yes, they hunted us and they stopped us out. The same thing happened to the upside. If we are in a short position, guys, they made also a long wick to the upside, and it was also a stop loss hunting. So we have a problem for the moment. Yes, they are hunting us. That's normal, guys. And yes, it's a normal thing if you're trading Bitcoin that they are hunting the stop losses to the upside, a wick to the upside, you can see it, and also the wick to the downside. So if you're watching the 50-minute time frame, can we make a little inverse shoulder head shoulder to the upside? It's a lot of magic, guys, reading. I know it, guys, but we have to watch it. We have to watch the next few hours. maybe we can make something like this and maybe we can break out to the upside. Now let's go to the indicators. Guys, what's happening with the ribbon band? Yes, here it is. A bad ribbon band is here, you can see it. And what's the thing? We lost it. We saw a big spike to the upside, no confirmed closing candle, and we lost the ribbon band to the downside. Now we have in 6 minutes a confirmed closing candle, a 50-minute candle under the ribbon band. That's also a next bad bearish stuff. I hate it. So let's check the next one, and now I would like to show you the moving average, the MA20. Guys, sorry, yesterday I made a big mistake. I showed you the MA9 lengths and not the 20 lengths. Now here is the MA20, the white one with a fat line, and what can we see for the moment? We are fighting with this candle with the MA20 in the 15-minute time frame. We need confirmed closing candles over it, not under it. If you would like to short, you need a confirmed closing candle under the MA20. If you would like to long, you need it on the upper side. So, okay, on the opposite. What's going on in 1 hour time frame? The next big stuff. Yes, we lost the MA20 here also. We saw a nice wick to the upside to the first line of the ribbon band, a spike to the upside, and bam, down again. Stop loss hunting to the downside, stop loss hunting to the upside. Thanks, market makers. That's really nice to trade. I know it, guys. It's horrible. So, okay, that's the big stuff. Now we can see we need here to fight with our support line. For the moment, you're fighting. What can we see in the 4 hour time frame? Horrible movie. Ribbon band is on the upside. MA20 is on the upside. Not so important. But look at this long wicks. Look at this long candle. This candle, the price for this candle, $1,175 US. 3% of the Bitcoin price is this candle. It's amazing what we see for the moment, what big candles we are watching for the moment, what big unsure closing candles we are watching for the moment. And that's a big thing, guys. It's for the moment, in my opinion, not a good thing to trade Bitcoin. We should wait here a little bit. It's really, really dangerous because they are stop loss hunting us. We can see long wicks to the upside and to the downside, and it's a dangerous situation now. But it's possible to see a right shoulder here. So, okay, if we're going out to the 1 day time frame, what can we see? On the weekly time frame, I think it's more important on the weekly time frame because MA20 is here on the upside, ribbon band is here, and yes, you can see we have no confirmed closing candle in the ribbon band. The monthly time frame, and this is, in my opinion, guys, the important stuff to watch now. The monthly time frame. Why? Let me show you. Let's remove everything. You can see what's going on the monthly time frame. Ribbon band is here, the first line. MA20 is here, the first line. And that's the big stuff. That's the big thing what we are fighting for in the monthly time frame. We have confirmed closing candles here, but we need closing candles over 36,700. If we will see confirmed closing candles under 36,700, under 36,500, this would be a next big problem because we will lose the MA20, we will lose the ribbon band, we will see a fight with the ribbon band, and that's the next big thing. And if we will see, guys, a confirmed closing candles under the MA20, maybe this one is possible to play out 12,000. I know it, guys. It's really, really hard to understand and hard to say for me to you guys. Please don't give me a thumb to the downside for this, but I'm showing you it's a possible M pattern. It's not out of the game. It's still in the play. And if we will lose the MA20, you have to watch it for your own, guys. It's a possible thing. And with this bad, horrible picture, I am letting you alone for the day. Guys, very important, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. Thanks for all of your support. Thanks that you are supporting your Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. And guys, I wish you the best of luck. It doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short. I wish you make millions with it. Have a nice time. Greetings. Yours, Biti.